I have the key to getting more of your traffic on your website converting into customers. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to share with you the #1 reason 99% of your visitors don't buy anything from you. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, when I have more marketing videos like this, you'll get notified. Quick question. How many of you are struggling to generate sales from your web traffic? It doesn't matter if you have 100 visitors or 1,000 visitors. If you're struggling, leave a comment with yes. If you're not, leave a comment with no. And I know what you're feeling. I've been there. The reason most of your traffic doesn't convert is because you look at qualitative data. What qualitative data is Google Analytics data. You go into Google Analytics, you look at your traffic, you're like, oh, this is the pages people are leaving off, this is why they're not converting, and maybe I'll do something or run some A/B tests and boost up my conversions. That doesn't work. What you need to do is first off, look at qualitative data. What qualitative data is you talking to other people, surveying them, whether you're using tools like SurveyMonkey or any of the survey tools out there like Hotjar. That'll help you get in touch with people who are your potential customers and figure out what issues they have with your product, your service, your website, your copy, your landing pages. Once you have 40, 50, 60 people giving you similar feedback, now you know what to focus on first to get more of those visitors to convert into customers. Then once you have that, I want you to go to sites like Crazyegg and use Crazyegg to run a heat map study of your site. It'll show you where people click, where they don't, what pages they're going to, where they're converting. This will show you, as well as with that qualitative data that you got, the roadblocks you have on your website that are stopping people from converting. Not just numbers, but visual data that'll show you what's stopping people from converting. You combine the two, and then you run A/B tests, which is the next step in Crazyegg. You will then be able to run tests to solve these problems, which should then boost your overall conversions. Most people take the opposite approach, of which they just run A/B tests based off their Google Analytics data. And that's why they run all these tests that don't boost their conversion rates. Heck, in many cases, they'll decrease your conversion rate, and that's when you lose money. So if you follow that process, you'll do better off. Now, the last tip I have for you is you need to focus on getting the right type of traffic. You'll get all this traffic, you're like, people aren't buying. Well, yeah, you don't want to just look at your traffic in Google Analytics. Are you getting the right kind of traffic? Here's how you know what kind of traffic converts. You go to Uber Suggests. You type in your main competitor URLs, the ones that you know that are bigger than you, making more money, paying money on paid ads. Put in their URL into Uber Suggests. You'll see an overview page. Scroll down, click on top pages. This will show you all the top pages your competitors have. And when you click on estimated visits, there's a view all button. Click on that. It'll show you all the keywords that are driving traffic to your competitor sites. It'll show you the cost per click, the SEO difficulty, and even how many visitors you're getting from each of those keywords. Go after the keywords that are driving a lot of traffic, have a high cost per click, and a low SEO score or SEO difficulty. Those are the ones that are in the sweet spot. You go after them, you'll get traction faster, and those are money keywords because if people are willing to pay a lot of money for a keyword, that means those visitors convert into customers. If you notice a keyword drives 1 million visits, but people only pay a penny per click, it means that no one cares for that keyword due to the fact that it doesn't convert into customers. That's how you get more of your visitors to convert into customers. That's the secret. Thank you for watching, and if you want help getting more of your visitors to convert into customers, check out my ad agency, Patel Digital. If you also have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll answer them. And of course, please like the video, share it, comment. Anything you do to help spread the word, I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching.